everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we'll talk about the CSS syntax. Okay, here we'll take the CSS syntax. Here we have the rule of the CSS. We have the selector and the declaration block. Okay, for example, I will show you some code and we will discuss it together now. Okay, so here we have the picture. Okay, so here, for example, the li is the selector. Here is the selector, and this, the color green, is the declaration block. Not only the color green might be the declaration block. For example, we can have color green, and then we put also font family, and then we put, for example, the font style, and all of these that, like, there are the rules for these selectors are called the declaration block. So let's complete into our lesson. Okay, so now here we have another picture, this picture. Okay, so here we have first the rule of CSS. First we start with the selector, then we start with this, and then we write our declaration block, then we put rewrite the same symbol. Here in this example here we have the weird is the selector and it's a class, and here the first one means that any paragraph will have the width 50 rule, and here anything in the HTML connected to the class attribute dot weird will have the color purple, and here font size will be the large. Let me give you another example. Okay, so here we have another picture. Here we have another thing called the declaration rules. These are the rules, but without the symbol. Means we said this was the declaration block, and this is the rule itself without any symbol. This is the rule, but not all the rules. Means you can't say that this declaration rule is width 50, and for example you say the font family. No, that's not correct. The correct is the one rule is one, means just rule is this color purple is a rule. This is one rule, and this font family size a large, this is one rule. So in this class attribute we have two rules. Okay, now we have more to know. Okay, so here we have another picture. Here we have the property and the value. The property, for example, here we have the color is the property. For example, here we have the font size is a property. Here we have the width is a property. The font family is a property. All of these are properties, and the value that describes its value. For example, that will come after the property is the value. For example, the width after it came 50, so the 50 is the value. Or say we can say that the width, its value will be 50. Okay, here we have the color. The value of the color to be purple. For example, here we have on the size, the value of it will be large. And that was all for today, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.